How to block contacts on iPhone. To block contacts on iPhone, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your iPhone. Then, you see a list of your contacts over here. You can add or delete a contact anytime from here. Now, tap on the All iCloud folder. Once you're in, select a contact from the list. Tap on it. Then scroll a little and find the Block Caller option. Tap on it. Then, tap on the Block Contact option. Once you've done it, you will not receive phone calls, messages, or FaceTime calls from people on the block list. You can unblock the caller anytime from here. By following these simple steps, you can easily block contacts on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.